I saw it in Poundland. I was like, I couldn't find the tag. Like, how much is it? £1. So let's open it up. So guys, it is Thursday. From the beginning of the vlog you would have seen like a birthday cake. It was my son's birthday on Friday, and then the next day on Saturday morning I did like a breakfast tea party for him. Would you call it like that? I don't know, it was sort of like a breakfast tea party. I was supposed to do it on his birthday, but we went to the shops too late, so it was too late to do that. It's now Thursday, and today we are going to the cafe. I think we've only been to a cafe like once, and they've been saying like, oh, we really want to go to a cafe, because they like watching like cafe vlogs, like people in like Asia and like these like seriously in China or wherever they are in the world, but like watching like the cafe vlogs where like them making all the stuff, and they're really fascinated by it. And so like, yeah, they've just grown a love for like going to the cafe. Before that I got to pop into Waitrose as well, and then yeah, head to the cafe. And then I fancy for dinner, because I'm on like a fasting diet, I fancy eating the buttered sausage with chips. So that's my dinner. And yeah, and then so yeah, but yeah, I've just slightly dressed because I'm going to film a homeware haul that I've just been slowly like buying. Some of the homeware stuff is under the sofa, and it's like I need to remove them there, because at some point something's gonna get damaged, and I really love the stuff that I've got. I do not need it to be damaged. So guys, I know I don't look my best today. Today's a day at home. It is time to do a haul. Now, I went into Primark. I just picked up normal kids basic stuff that they need in their wardrobe anyways. That's just that boring stuff. But yeah, more interesting stuff I would say I picked up in the homeware section. And it's basically bedding. I've become very picky when it comes to bedding. It has to be perfect, and it has to coordinate with the theme, the color theme of the room. We're not doing that match with bed sheets. That is just random. The whole room just looks random. I'm not a fan of it. I picked up this one because I like both, because the boys' room is bunk beds. I like it to be coordinating. I like the bed sheets, whenever I change it, it's always coordinating, it's matching. So I picked up the bottom kids. They have yeah, their bed sheets is king size. I know it's a bit big for king size. One of my kids likes to take all the blanket during the night, and it's not great for the other kid that's sharing with him. And the king size is £12, which I feel like is really nice. It's very basic, but I really like the basic. It's giving me like sailor vibe. You know, if your kids' room was like boats on the walls and boats decals and stuff, these are the type of beddings that you would have. And also for me, I picked up these sort of like light green pillowcases. Reason being, because I feel like one of the reasons why my skin's acting up is because my kids like coming into my room, because I have a TV in my room now. Like when they come in here, they jump on my pillowcases, and I feel like it's making me break out. And as much as you tell them, please can you stop doing that, they just don't listen. The first few days of just having like clean bed sheets, my skin is fine. These ones are, because I'm due to change my bed sheets, I was like, let me just get the green one for now. Oh, Poundland, I picked up two things. Where is it? This, randomly picked it up in the store. So I went in there, got some drinks. As I was on my way into the checkout, I thought, let me just like see what's new in here. You guys, I saw this Elgetic Beauty Premium Quality Elgetic Jade Roller. You know these roller, like, I haven't washed it, so I'm not going to pull on my face, but you know these, you guys know these, they were selling it everywhere, like beauty stores. I even saw, like, the other day, my local Superdrug, they're now selling it. TKMAXX are selling it. Like, all the beauty stores are selling these, and like, I saw it in Poundland. I was like, I couldn't find the tag, like, how much is it? I was like, just take it to the checkout. If it's £5, you know, I'm not gonna get it. Like, £1. £1. Seriously, super happy. Also, the other thing as well from Poundland, picked up this weeks ago, but again, I was just looking around, what was I finding? I think I was trying to find a USB wire. Yeah, I saw this, like, it's a phone pen. Oh my goodness, I picked it up and I was like very curious, like, can I sketch with this? So yeah, I got it. Oh my goodness, I can sketch with this. I have been sketching. If you don't know, sketching has been my thing since primary school. I've always been someone who draws, and like, throughout the years, it's like I forget about it, I stop doing it, and then I do it, and I stop doing it, and then I go back to doing it. And like, lately I've just told myself I need to be consistent in doing it. It's something I enjoy, and it's definitely a skill that I want to one day use to open my own business. I love it. It's just making me curious about just how to draw an eye, how to draw lips, how to even draw a donut. Yes, a donut. So absolutely enjoying this. I love this. It was £1. It was £1. My son wants one, and yeah, they don't, everyone just bought it, so it's like, it's really popular. So yeah, these, like, lovely things I found in Poundland. It is Sunday. Yes, I look a mess again in this vlog. I've currently just come upstairs to clean my room. I've cleaned the bathroom, which is good. I'm on a schedule, like, basically I've told myself, like, I think it's been like a month now, or maybe over a month. I've told myself Sundays I clean the bathroom. There has been a few weeks where I couldn't do it on a Sunday, but I did it during the week. I've actually been keeping to Monday's ironing day, which is it's so much better. I don't have to worry about the ironing during the week. I just wash the clothes, let it pile up, and then on Monday I iron it. Speaking of laundry, I think I need to get a new laundry basket, so I'm thinking maybe tomorrow I'll pop into Matalan and get a new laundry basket, because the one I want to get is really nice. I know it's like, it's a laundry basket, but it's really nice. So guys, we're doing a little haul again. By the way, if you hear noise in the background, my son's watching Blippi. But yeah, yesterday I popped into Primark, exchanged the flat sheet that I picked up last time to fitted sheet in this lovely, like, lovely pink, basically, for my daughter's bed. And then yesterday, by the way, I've got 2 areas in my room. It's the only way I can manage my washing. Yeah, I seriously, buying 2 areas, 1, 2, has been the best thing. It literally works. It means you can get like 2 loads of washing a day. I picked up a new laundry basket. That one's going in the bin. It's cracked at the side and it just doesn't look pleasing. So I picked up this one from Matalan. It's £20. Some odd reason it says 18. Online it says 20, and then when I got to checkout, it's £20. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to call anyone just because it's £20. Like, I haven't got the time. For £2 discount. But yeah, it says laundry on it. It's just a few centimeters longer than the old one. But yeah, I got this one because it looks nice. I just feel like the old laundry basket wasn't, yeah, this Wilko one's not nice. I like it. Like, I want something, it's gonna be out in display, this laundry basket. It might as well look beautiful. So guys, I've received my Glossy Box September box. Yeah, and I thought I'll just show you guys what is inside this month. So let's see. Accolades. Basically these are like discount codes. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think that's a discount code too. This is I think it's a perfume subscription thing. So let's open it up. Got these Vitamusk Pearl Sheet Mask, a brightening sheet mask. So that's interesting. So yeah. And then some samples for me from the Judith LeBeau. So that's some perfume samples. So 3 perfume samples, which is really nice. This is a serum. Yeah, this is a face serum, which I'm so excited. I've never bought like a face serum, and I believe this is yeah, this is a vegan and sustainable skincare brand. So this is really nice. Lindor chocolate. I'm a bit funny when it comes to like chocolate. I have to buy it. If someone else buys it for me, I might not eat it. I'm just a bit funny when it comes to like, even with kids, like in magazines where they get like sweets in a magazine, I just find that a bit weird. Also, this is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. Well, it's something for the face, but yeah, it's from Skin & Co. Roma. You guys, I saw this on the advert, and I think this was the reason why I was like, I want to grab this month's box. They are giving you a free, what's this? It's like a face scrub. What's it called? I don't think this is battery powered, but then they're gonna have to open it to see. But anyways, really nice, right? And then lastly, they gave me Be Your Incredible Self from Nails Inc. London, and nail varnish. I literally threw all my nail varnish away, and like the last time I got a Glossy Box was in December, and I got nail varnish in it as well, and like that nail varnish literally just disappeared. So this will be like to add to my new collection of nail varnish, because I literally don't have any nail varnish. I threw them all away. They went all bad. So yeah, that was my Glossy Box for this month. I will see you guys on my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up and take care.